Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook wonton noodle soup. First, let's gather all our fresh ingredients. You will need items for the wonton filling, the flavorful broth, and the noodles. We will start by preparing the delicious wonton filling, combining ground pork, shrimp, and essential seasonings. Then, we will move on to the crucial step of folding the wontons, making sure they are sealed perfectly to prevent them from opening during cooking. This foundational work ensures a delightful bowl of soup. Now, let's dive into crafting those perfect wontons. Begin by combining 1 pound of fresh ground pork with about 4 ounces of finely chopped shrimp in a mixing bowl. To this, add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil, and a generous pinch of white pepper for that authentic flavor. Mix thoroughly. Then, take a wonton wrapper, place a small spoonful of filling in the center, and fold it into a triangle, pressing firmly to seal all the edges. Repeat for all your wontons. Next, we'll create the heart of our soup, the rich and aromatic broth. In a large pot, simmer 2 quarts of high-quality chicken or pork broth. Add a few dried shiitake mushrooms and several thin slices of fresh ginger to infuse deep flavors. Season the broth with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of white pepper, adjusting to your taste. Bring this flavorful broth to a gentle boil, ensuring it's ready to perfectly cook our wontons and noodles, absorbing all those wonderful aromas. Finally, it's time to assemble and serve your delicious wonton noodle soup. Carefully drop the prepared wontons into the simmering broth and cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until they float to the surface, indicating they are perfectly done. In a separate pot, quickly blanch your fresh egg noodles for approximately 1 minute, then drain them well. Ladle the hot broth, wontons, and noodles into individual serving bowls. Garnish generously with fresh chopped scallions and a final drizzle of sesame oil for an extra layer of aroma and flavor. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.